Hey everybody, it's your friend Wade Perry of the Perry Properties Group of LUX.DENVER, where we are working with neighbors and creating community. We have many axioms at the Perry Properties Group. One of my favorites is take exceptional care of your home and your home will take exceptional care of you. Combine this with the absolutely gorgeous fall weather we are experiencing, and now is the perfect time to take action on your fall home maintenance tips before Old Man Winter arrives. Here are the 7 actions we take every fall at the Perry home. Okay, friends, I know you are thinking you have plenty of time. However, I want you to consider that the professionals in these areas book up quickly this time of year. So you want to get on their schedules sooner rather than later. And if you need or want a referral to any of these professionals, please contact us by phone at 720-320-2288 or by email at wade@perrypropertiesgroup.com. It's a great life.